Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics. Your iPhone and the missing Apple Watch share the same Apple ID, and Find My is signed in. Open the Find My app, tap Devices, and select your watch to see its last known location on the map. This gives you the most recent GPS fix. Once done, turn on Notify when found so the network will alert you if the watch comes online, and activate Lost Mode to lock and message the device immediately. Next, you expand the search. Inspect the last seen timestamp and any movement history in Find My. That tells you where it was when battery or connection ended. Then physically retrace steps and search likely spots, because Bluetooth range is roughly 30 to 50 feet indoors, so you might still pick up signals. Make sure Notify when found remains active. The Find My network's millions of Apple devices can detect your watch when it briefly powers on and report its location to you. Finally, you complete recovery by leaving Lost Mode active with a clear contact number and brief reward note. Do not erase the watch yet, because erasing prevents Find My from locating it. Visit local lost and found points and inform nearby businesses while providing the watch serial number from your Apple ID. Once exhaustive searching fails, contact Apple support for options and consider filing a police report for theft. If things go wrong, toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.